So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this amount of money in just under a month. It's not going to make you rich, but it doesn't require much effort, and it only takes about $20 to get started. I recently fell down a rabbit hole on eBay and noticed people selling these. This is an AI generated image that I created and got printed at Walgreens for around 49 cents. To get started, you're going to want to get ChatGPT Premium. It costs around $19.99 and it's really the only upfront cost. You can use other AI image generators, but this is the one I used. Next, start generating as many cool images as you can. Try to make them as unique as possible so they stand out. Make sure to specify the image size when you generate them. I went with 4x6 for most of mine, or 8x10 for some that I made more expensive. Then, create an eBay listing for each photo. You can just use the digital version of the image and only print them when someone buys one. I'd price them somewhere between $6 and $10 and maybe $15 for the 8x10s. Try to list as many unique images as you can. It doesn't take long, and you can spread it out over a few days. Then, whenever someone places an order, just get the photo printed at your local Walgreens or office supply store and ship it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're able to make some extra money doing this. See you next time.